Dr. Strange is a young surgeon who suffered a transected peripheral radial nerve injury. He can physically see the presence of his arm and hand, but he completely lost his sensation and the means to move. Over 20 million Americans, like Dr. Strange, experience peripheral nerve injury, decreasing their quality of life. Current treatments provide support, but no electrical connections, no tunability, and no explicit regenerative cues. We propose the use of liquid metal combined with protein fusion hyaluronic acid hydrogels doped with pro-regenerative factors to solve all the aforementioned problems. Biocompatible liquid metal will address the lack of electrical connections in transected nerves with its incredible conductivity that immediately restores signal conductance to prevent distal tissue degeneration. PFHA templated hydrogels offer multiple advantages to allografts. Most importantly, they can be modified to include pro-regenerative factors, which are proven to accelerate healing. We will also create a SPICE simulation to model a neuron using corresponding circuit elements and, at the same time, model the signal conductance properties of our scaffold. This allows us to study the overall response of the action potential across a repaired nerve injury using our scaffold. Nerve recovery will be assessed physically with MR neurograph and functionally with accelerometer-coupled electromyography. Our novel technique will eliminate the need for secondary surgery, provide an efficient long-term recovery process, reduce neuropathic pain, and set a precedent for multi-phase biomaterials and wound healing. We look forward to your support. Thank you.